To, in order to, and so as to are words that are used to express a purpose, or to say why we do certain things. Like, for example, in this sentence, William was hurrying and then catch the bus. In this sentence, William was hurrying, he is doing something. The purpose of this hurrying is to catch the bus. Now, to connect the purpose with the doing something, we use to, in order to, or so as to. So, to, in order to, and so as to are used to express purpose or to say why we do certain things. The important thing is what is the difference between to, in order to, and so as to. One of the difference is that to, in order to, and so as to are more formal than to, while the important thing is that in order to and so as to can be used in negative. Like we can use not with them, like in order not to, so as not to, while to alone cannot be used with not. Like for example, he was hurrying in order not to miss his bus. In this sentence, not is used in order to. Similarly, we can say he was hurrying so as not to miss his bus. Both of these sentences would be correct. But we cannot say he was hurrying not to miss her bus. We cannot use not with to.